Welcome back to Yard Dog Digest. In today's episode, we're going to be talking a little bit about operating in inclement weather, which includes the Pantographic wiper system pictured behind me. Autocar's DNA comes from the refuse business, where we've got a saying, every day is trash day. What that means is, doesn't matter if there's a hurricane, you're still going to expect that your refuse collection company is out there picking up your trash. The terminal tractor business is really no different. Doesn't matter if it's raining, sleeting, snowing, our trucks still need to be out there moving cargo. So let's go have a look at what options are available to help your fleet operate in the most severe conditions. When trying to operate in heavy rain, Autocar's Pantographic wiper system helps to clear the way. What makes the Pantographic system different is that it pivots at several points along the stroke. This compares to a more standard system, which has a single pivot, creates a crescent-like effect and limits visibility. So we're here in the cab and I want to demonstrate what a Pantographic wiper does. To help simulate moisture, we don't have a cloud in the sky today, so we brought some water balloons with us and are going to demonstrate that. So here you can see the wiper clearing a majority of the windshield, as opposed to a normal design which might sweep this half of the windshield. You can see this is making a nice U shape here, which is clearing a lot of the part of the windshield that I need to see to help figure out where I'm going. While the Pantographic wiper helps to enhance visibility, the optional rear diff lock helps to secure traction. When surfaces are slippy or maybe uneven, the diff lock helps to ensure that you have positive traction at both wheel ends. What makes the option even better is it comes with a momentary design at the switch. What that means is the operator has to be physically depressing the switch in order for the axle to be engaged. The second they let off the switch, it will disengage, thereby limiting the amount of damage they can do to the rear axle. Diff lock should only be used at very low speeds. If you're worried about operators misusing the feature, Autocar has a LockBlock technology system which electronically controls the switch and prohibits operators from engaging it unless they're stationary or at a very low speed. Thanks for watching this episode of Yard Dog Digest. Hopefully the content was helpful related to wipers and different axle technologies that are out there. Stay tuned for more content and don't forget to like and subscribe.